So in this video, I'll be showing how to save your Excel 365 file to a trusted location and also how to enable the correct macros. So to begin, you all should have received an email with a link, and this link should have led to this website. And on this website, we want to right-click Excel 365 template file. So we right-click this first option, and we have to click Save Link As. Once this pop-up shows, this part is really important as we must remember the exact spot and the exact folder where we save this file in the future. So we must remember the exact location that we saved this file and the exact folder. So later on when we add this to a trusted location or when we want to access this file again, we need to know exactly where we saved it originally. So in this video, I will be saving my file to my documents under my quick access. So in the future, I will have to remember that I saved my file to documents under quick access. And since I'm here, I also want to create a new folder just for this file. So I can click new folder here and rename it to Excel 365. Once I created this folder, I want to open it and save. The next step I want to do is launch a blank Excel workbook where we will be changing our macros and adding this file to a trusted location. So to do this, we can use a search function on the bottom left-hand corner and type in Excel and launch the application. Once the application is launched, we want to click on blank workbook. And next we want to go to File, which is up in the ribbon, and click Options, which is the lower left-hand corner. So once we click Options, we'll go to our Trust Center settings, and Macro settings. And here we want to make sure that our third option is selected, which is Disable VBA macros except digitally signed macros. So again, we must ensure that the third option is selected. Then we'll click OK and click OK again. And the last thing we want to do is go back to File, Options, Trust Center settings, and Trusted Locations. And here we want to add a new location and click Browse. And here our trusted location must be the same exact location where we originally saved our file. So for example, I originally saved my file in my documents under my quick access. So I click Documents here, and I see my Excel 365 folder that I originally created just for this file. So I have to click on the folder, open it, and click OK. And then I also must make sure that subfolders of this location are also trusted, is check marks. And then I'll click OK, and click OK, and click OK.